wamekuwa wakilalamika kuhusiana na swala zima la chakula kwa watoto. Watoto hawapendi hichi, mtoto hali hiki. But I'm here to tell you that a family food habits shapes the child eating lifestyle. I'm Nana, the nutrition coach. There are a number of tips that naweza kukuelezea baadhi that's gonna help you wewe to create for familia so that the kids can adapt that healthier lifestyle. One of the tips is you can decide, instead of buying snacks, you can create fruits into a different shapes, which the kids can have fruits, veggies as snack. Did you see that's a good idea? A tip number 2 that I'm gonna tell you is you can create an environment that's every meal with vegetables and juice, or vegetable and fruits. Whether you're serving, let us say, eggs, boiled eggs, you just need to add some veggies such as broccolis to be served with. The kid will get carbohydrate from that and protein from this, as well as some fats from the chicken fat. So that's a great idea. The kid can get different nutrients from different kind of food that you're serving. Have just to make sure it looks normal to the kid, like he or she knows in every meal I'm gonna get a juice, a fruit, or let us say a vegetable from the meal. The last tip that I'm gonna share with you is teach the kids about portion awareness. Let us say this is our table. You have to make sure that elders, the parents or whoever is at that table, who is not a kid, is serving the food from a bigger plate. But a kid can be served from this plate. Akiwa served kwenye this plate, kumfanya yeye aweze kujua the right portion for him or her, it will be more easy. The plate will be full because it's a small plate. So that's one of the techniques that can help the kid kujua this is the right portion, and if he's served from this plate, probably atakula kingi compared to what he or she's supposed to take. There are more tips into that. Just come, I'll share more tips with you, which at the end itatusaidia to have that health lifestyle, health culture from home, which is gonna help us to wakuze watoto kwenye right path ya health. Thank you.